Yeah, do you see the pretty screen we now have? I was distracted setting that up, because I thought I could do it way faster than I ended up being able to do it. So, yeah, my bad there. Um, it was not intentional. It was just a minute. Just 1 minute. So, okay, the reason I me making these screens was so last minute is because I thought, oh, I made a new render for the banner of my YouTube. I should turn that into background screens for general Minecraft streams. So I did that real quick, but I messed up my timing because I thought of it less than 10 minutes before starting stream. So yeah, that's on me. Do 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 do. You know what? I'm gonna call it good enough to switch to live. So today we are working on a Minecraft map that you can see I've already done a fair bit of work on. Let me actually go out. I say a fair bit of work, but all I've really done is made these modules and built this randomizer system that fits in here. Most of this is just copying one of those, so yeah. Um, Currently there's nothing to it but the hub area, and jumping around between each part of the hub. Anyway, this map, it's basically just sort of a skill practice area for most general Minecraft skills. So you got like parkour, bridging stuff, clutches, and then we have the fighting stuff, which is the dungeons and the arenas. These are the randomized ones. The dungeons and the arenas are the randomized ones. Actually, no, the arena isn't randomized. I just remembered. What's the other randomized one? Hold up. Got clutches. Oh, the other randomized one is parkour because yeah, the parkour map's going to be randomized. At least partially. Oh, well, procedural generation, I think it would be the correct term. Anyway, it's now actually time to start work on some of these areas. So, which area should I work on first? Because I'm genuinely not sure. Bucket clutches and bridging will be very simple because they're basically just nodes. Like for the clutches, we got bucket, variety of blocks, wind charges, uh yeah, boat clutches. Start on the bucket section. All right. Is here. All right. It is actually kind of simple what we need to do. We basically just need to grab these command blocks here and tell them to teleport the player to wherever we've got the bucket clutch set up. Or, well, the clutch set up. That's going to be interesting to figure out. Oh yeah, this is return to hub. Let's start with normal bucket, which is down this end. Is that where you end up? Yes. Alright. Type not player. Sorry, I just need to make sure that nothing can spawn mobs false. There we go. Alright, now we don't actually really care where this thing is, so why not here? Yeah, concrete is probably a bad idea. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Gradient painter? Okay. Hold up. First, extrude that by way more than that. Step. This is Axiom. Maybe? I don't really know who uses what. Oops. Dang it. Uh-oh. Okay. Release the extrude tool. Okay, let's see. Type replace. Okay, let's just see what happens here. Ah, okay, that's how that works. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, let's drop all the way down to the bottom. Now we can get the... Eh. Did that work? Okay. How do I get this to work? First of all, deep slate. what's good? Medium block. Tough. Bang. Are you kidding me? Okay, remove type replace. How does this work? Oh, damn. It appears... it appears OBS does not like the axiom thing. Alright, so I'm just going to avoid that for the rest of time. Deep sleep. Okay, I can do better than this. Slash fill. Yep, nope. Shop. Deep slate, replace. White concrete. Bing. Not fill biome. Let's do tough. Replace concrete. White. Then this could go all the way up here. Slash up. Oh, wait, no. Got to get that coordinate down there. Excellent. Slash fill. Stone. Replace. White concrete. Excellent. Yeah, good enough. This top section can be dirt. Slash fill. Dirt, replace diorite. Nope, go up. Alrighty. Cool. Now, what we have to do is every like 5 blocks or so, we need to create a little room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five, 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 five. There we go. Still going fives. Excellent. Yeah. All right. This level. Wonder how I can make Axiom compatible with my recording. I'm very glad I turned off infinite um, break. Alright, that's supposed to go here. Wait a minute. Oh, man. Actually, I probably should do something like that. Have a double spiral. Eh. Eh, that's kind of trippy. This is gonna be fun. Wow, that is perfect height. That was not intentional. Alright. Okay. So I can't rotate this structure, but I can copy it upwards to here. Weird. Yeah, I'm gonna try and fix the axiom thing. That didn't work. Yeah, I don't think I can fix it. I kind of just have to accept it, which sucks. Oh man, I can't even replicate it all the way up here. So there just aren't enough deep slate slots. Ugh. Oof. Phone died? Yikes. That sucks, dude. You didn't really miss much, just me figuring out that Axiom is very incompatible with OBS. Well, this is going up slowly. do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah. Yeah. Do 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 do. Ah. How did I place it there? Ooh, interesting. What kind of update? Oh yeah, it would kill all the mods. Yikes. Huh. So, all the update did was increase the number of mods you can load while breaking every single mod you could load. Yeah, that's... that... And there was already a mod that did this. Yeah, that's a pointless update. Ah. Wait, it was? I didn't know that. That's kind of crazy. Damn. Yeah. Like, honestly, modding is it's kind of the best thing you can do for open world games. Because, as in terms of the longevity. Because that means people will still play, even after a long time. Wait, my brain is braining. Trying to do two things at once and it's kind of working. Two built-in mod loaders. That's kind of cool. What kind of limitations? I'm guessing they're pretty severe ones. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, the Skyrim script extender. What does it actually do? Does it just sort of make external scripts compatible with base game? It's kind of just what I'm guessing based on the name. Mm. Ooh. Sounds interesting. Blah, 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 blah. Where did my English go? Jeez, it is so hard to understand barrier blocks, where they're placed. This hurts my eyes. Anyway, yeah, no, you figured out how to bind it to your new headset? Nice! That is very nice. Very, very nice. But where is my brain? It's non-functional at the moment, which is not good. Plank. Ah, not compatible with the headset, I'm guessing. Oh, a billion other features. Okay, hmm. Alright, I'm guessing it was sort of like... I'm guessing it would have been... It just sort of wasn't compatible. Oh, didn't like the controllers? Okay, it looks... That sounds like, it just didn't register the input system being used by the headset. Yeah, fair enough on the not wanting to play without the stuff. Alright. Barrier blocks are so annoying to work with. Okay, so on the mod archive page, old compatibility file that makes it compatible with Valve Index. That's cool. I reckon there's probably some shared code between a Valve Index and your headset. Um, maybe. I'm purely guessing about that, but it's possible. Okay. Interesting. Makes sense. And very cool that it works now. That's part of the joys of any form of programming, even if it's just working with mods. Okay. Huh. Yeah. There probably is. barrier. Wait, what? Damn it. Yeah, that's a lot of barriers. There isn't. Okay. Actually, that kind of makes a bit of sense considering how niche eye tracking is. Okay. We're not fill biome. Do 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 do. Okay, shut barrier. Huh. Uh, how powerful is your CPU? Oh wait, I just realized you're gonna be loading a lot of mods anyway, so yeah, probably not worth it. And why did that happen? And of course it's in one. Dang it. Yeah, I don't know enough about computer stuff to know how good of a CPU that is. Well, whatever that is. Jeez, these barrier blocks are tripping me up so much. Why can't they just have, like, the same texture as glass, but the barrier instead of a glass texture? Why do they have to be these weird particle things? Ugh. Oh, GPU the bottleneck? Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, how many per... 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Yeah. Yeah. More bugs mean... yeah, more mods means more higher probability for bugs. Ooh, that was far less. I reckon I'm gonna need a compound randomizer. Yeah, there is also that. Modification of game rendering definitely reduces compatibility. Question is with how much. Alrighty. I need to count how many modules are on each side. Okay, when you do clutches, it's basically you just get given the items you got to clutch with, land the clutch, and then when you're down here, I reckon 3, yeah, that's 5 up. Okay. Oh, I just realized people can get out through the underside. I know I need to keep this in my hand. What? It has to be in your... So... Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know barriers have to be in your main hand to make barriers in the world show up. That is so annoying. Yeah, this is another reason why barriers should always should show up as glass, because wait, why do they show up as these weird particle things? Is it purely because Mojang don't know how to handle making a block that stops rendering if it has a normal block texture? Is that the entire reason? You know what? Slash fill there. To here. Barrier. Slash up twice. Okay. Slash fill. No, not fill biome. Okay. Okay, now no one can get out unless they have creative mode. And it's also like, why would you? Because crash counter? What's that? What about it? I don't edit the stream VODs. I'm gonna be totally real. The crash counter, at this point, it's mostly there just because, haha, we have an entire counter dedicated to my terrible internet. I think that's kind of the intent behind it. Pressure plate. There we go. Alright. How come you have your Steam downloads limited? Is it because of bad internet as well? No, I genuinely can't get 100. I think I did once, but only once. Yeah. To be honest, I don't think I've... Phew. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna have to use Axiom because I don't wanna copy paste these. So bear with me while stream is frozen for a minute. Oof. Wait, no, those are fine. Okay. Confirm. Let's go duplicate and just sort of shove it near. I'm not going to count Axiom as a stream crash because it really isn't. It's just very annoying. Okay, paste. Like, all I've done is just copy something from over there down here. Let's clean it up slightly. Still got 8 in there. Yep. Cool. Randomizer module. Bing. Alright. I reckon when you die, you just respawn back at the hub. So if you miss a clutch, you probably just go back to the clutch hub. Which means when you teleport to the clutch hub, you need to... World spawn needs to be set there. So, okay. Start by chucking this here. Oh, hey. Hehe, it's still working properly. Excellent. Alright, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Number 8 is on that. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 6s and... So we have 2 6s. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 2 6s. And then we have... Hold on, let me... 2 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 7s. So we have 2 sets of 6 and 2 sets of 7. Sorry, but I gotta use Axiom again because there's no way I'm doing this manually. Okay. So I need 4 of them. Duplicate. And also rotate. 1. Paste copy. 2. 3. 4. Okay, wait. Undo. So you guys cannot see what I'm doing at all. And I have no idea how to change that. Alright. Okay. 1. That fit in there? Maybe, but I don't want to risk it. 2. Definitely needs to go up 1 block. 3. 4. Okay. Then all we need to do to tune these is just change the number of items to equal exactly what we need. So, for example, this one... Just remove those. And then I need to figure out which one they correspond to. White, gray, gray, black. Gray, black, and white. There we go. So I can technically remove the rest of these, but I'm not gonna. Alrighty. Of course, that's the wrong way. White, 2 grays, black, and what's after it? Red, orange, yellow. So I can get rid of brown. I can get rid of brown from all of these. There we go. Cool. Okay, that's been dropped to that. Excellent. Now all I need to do is get a base command block and then shift it onto all of those. Will this automatically... Yes, so I can actually remove... Said I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to do it. Yep. Oh, great. So, how much material went where? Dang it, it's all on here, ain't it? Yep. Okay, bop. There we go. Okay. Now this is a little convoluted, but I don't care. So all I have to do now... First, let me... Ah, great. Okay. So let's just temporarily put a barrier here. Slash... Okay. 69.5. Neg 42. Neg 49.5. Pretty sure, yep, hole. TP at P. Done. Alright, looks like it is time to set up these ones. I have to do is remove these lamps and replace them with command blocks. Alright, let us go and just... Blue, white, glass, stone. I can make that brown. So I got blue, white, brown. May as well yoink some red as well. Okay, red. Now I can very easily correlate these. Where is the exit? Here it is. Alright. Blue, white. Oh, here it is. Brown, red. Okay, white side. Oh. Alright. We get 80.5, negative 55, negative 74.5. Then if we go up 35 instead of 55, we go up 20 each time. We're actually going to remove that pressure plate. So on the white one, here we go. We go TP. Grab that. TP at P. This value. Done. And we go control middle click. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all we do is we go here and go plus 20 each time. 15. So 15, negative 15 plus 20, negative 5, positive 5. $25, 45, not negative 45, then 65. Do we really go all the way up to 65 at the top? Button. Oh, yeah. Go all the way up to 70. Okay. Whee! Okay, that's one side hooked up. And that is one of the 7 sections, so that one's all done. Alright, blue side. So I can remove this here and I can shift it up there. That's what I'll do with all of them. Alright. Alright, slash TP at P 85.5 neg 40 negative 69.5. Yeah, for a second I thought I lost that. Alright. Off to blue side, which is up here. Control V. How many does blue side have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's just plus 20 each time. No, my debug stick. Oh, here we go. That's 5. Right, we're back down here. I think we got the all 6 in place. Yeah, we did. I'm gonna just real quick shave off. Wait, correction. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to very quickly just... Yeah, no, I'm not. Slash fill. Oh, that... What? That to... This... What? No way to know if I landed that. There it is. Why did all the redstone components pop off? What the? Slash tick freeze. Okay, where is it? Okay, that's not supposed to be there. I see. Tick unfreeze. I kind of just have to let it play. Still no way to tell if I actually landed the bucket clutch. Won't stop me from doing it. What? Oh, block state update. Okay. We all good now? We fine and happy? Let's check this thing. Yeah, it only needs 6, right? No, it needs 7. What? Oh. Okay, everything's in. Okay, I'm gonna say blue side is done. On to red side. Which is /TP at P 90.5, neg 45, neg 74.5. Wait, we're on red side, which is up here. My leg is itchy. That'd be positive 15, 35, 55, yep, it is a 6. Right? Oh, come on. Stop giving me all the extra ones. I don't need all these extra, whatchamacallits. Okay, yep, it is that one. So... kind of realizing map making isn't a very exciting process. Oh, what? That could have been bad. Okay, we're down to the last side. Brown side. Okay. Brown side starts you at... Okay, 79.85? Okay. Negative 50. Here we go. Control C. There we go. Okay, brown side. Control V. Control click. That is 10. Ooh, Terraria Reza. Nice. Positive 10. 30. 50. Yep. Don't want to skip 70. Alright. Fair enough. What were you testing? Okay. Are you kidding me? I've accumulated command blocks. I don't even have a default command block on me. There we go. Uh... Alright, now this should be very functional. And I'm gonna surround this with bedrock instead of barriers just for my own sanity. There we go. I may as well put a torch in there just to make sure no mobs spawn. Pretty sure there won't be any mobs spawning in there, but I just want to make sure. Then we wait. Hello? And why didn't that trigger any? What? Why are those stuck there? I should use a proper torch. Torch. Did these not get triggered for some reason? They should have gotten triggered. Did they not? That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. Wait. Yeah, that one's good. Slash tick unfreeze. Oh, what? Oh, a double trigger. That's not supposed to do that. Why are you stuck? Why are you stuck? Are these stuck? Ooh. This... Oh crap. That one actually needs it. Oh, right. Wait, there's a button here? Okay, let's do a couple more tests. Just sort of... Uh, hello? Hello? Why did nothing happen? What? What? Huh? Okay, yeah, that has all of them. Why did it just send me through 4 separate ones? What? Why did it... Okay, why is it sending me through 4 times to... Okay, let's see. First one, second one... So, 2 of the same location, and then 2 of a different location. Why am I getting double pulsed? Why? Yeah, I'm getting way too many double pulses. I'm not supposed to be getting double pulses. Ah, my neck. Let's try lamp. Yeah, double pulse. Bing. And that's gonna give me a double pulse. Great. Yes. That is very annoying. Okay, how do I solve this problem of double pulsing? Oh, it's ridiculously simple, isn't it? I just need to switch the observers for repeaters, right? But then there's these signals. Oh. This one's broken. P. Why P? Piston observer pair? I mean, that could work, but repeaters work just as well, you know? It's very simple to replace observers with a set of repeaters. Or at least, repeaters fix my problem until I need to get the signal down to, you know, the dispensers. Axiom. It's a fast place here. Okay, let's make these red lines. That's a concrete. Red wool. Wait, what was the line ordering? It doesn't really matter, does it? Yep, that connects there. Which means I need to go... Yeah. Okay, last line would be this one. Which, would this work? Maybe. Probably not. I need a redstone expert. Oh, it needs to go up anyway. There. That should work. Emphasis on should. And then one way to find out. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Barriers. Eh. I actually shift this up because this hopper is being powered. So, bedrock won't work because it's a transparent block, right? Yeah, it is. I have to use like netherite, right? A block of netherite, because otherwise the players are just gonna mine through it. Yep. I'm actually gonna make that a... Oh, come on. Where's the wooden pressure plates? Here we go. I'm gonna make that a wooden pressure plate in case someone actually manages to break it. And away we go. Ah! Oh, hi, Doctor. How are you? Nice. I am currently making a map. It is very fun. Oh, they didn't break the pressure plate. Phew. Um... just a general, it's sort of like a general practice map. So you just practice general Minecraft skills in it. Why is there a hole here? There we go. Oh man, we've already been going for well over 1.5 hours. Anyway, sorry, I gotta break the Minecraft view for a second. Yeah, for some reason, Axiom really does not work well with, OBS. Let me just sort of drop into here. So, /set world spawn, squiggly, 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 rotation 0, 0. Excellent. And why is that? Why is spawn here? Oh. Game rule. Respawn radius 0. Oh, wait. Frick. Wait, what? Why is... Oh. Are you kidding me? How is glass a valid spawn? How? Let me barrier block that. Okay, how do I fix that? String? No, you can respawn in string, right? There's no way you can't respawn in string. Yep, you can't. Frick. Is this world spawn? Yep. Block. Why? Nah, string didn't stop it. See, where do I hide the tripwire? Like, where do I hide the tripwire hook? Okay, the thing is, I'm supposed to spawn here. Why can I spawn on glass? You know what? I'm just gonna go get a light blue pane. And it's slightly ugly, but it's required to make things function. Bap. What else? What other illegal blocks are in my inventory? None others? Good. Glass pane works. Glass pane fixed it. When you respawn, you now respawn in the main hub. Clutch hub is gonna have to do that as well. But it's gonna be way harder. Frick. Nah. Set world spawn. Then I have to actually set world spawn to where we end up. Wait, I can just pull the coordinates from the command block. Done. Set world spawn. Invalid integer? Oh, it has to be an int? Sure. 0, 0. Done. Now that that command's set, go back here, get the set world spawn here, and we go 16, 47, 8. We yoink that command. We jump here, grab... how am I going to do this? Now let's see what commands get executed. Nope, it didn't work. Okay. Okay. Yoink. Place that facing down. Maybe make the second one chain? Chain, done. Did that work? No, oh. Then go here. Wait. Is this the closest valid spawn point? Ugh. Probably not, to be honest. Wait, I can just put a glass pane on top. Would that work? Dang it. Oh, now it wants to work. Okay, wait, let's go back here. Where is this setting? Okay, negative 77. Let's make it negative 78 and see what happens. Let me go up. Thank you. Oh, cool. Now it works. Excellent. Cool. Fixed it. And we can make this less ugly by putting one of these here. The what? Where is it? Here it is. What? Why am I all the way over here? The... What? Huh? Excuse me, game. What are you... Okay. Oh. That is supposed to be negative. Let's make that negative 48 and see what happens. Okay, now it's working. But why? Why is it that 47 places me... There's no way. What's the block position? Okay, yep. 48. Same with here. Yep, 78. Okay. That's why it was doing that funky thing. Anyway. So, we're over here. Now we're gonna do water bucket. And there's no spawn in yet. Luckily, I know exactly where we're going. I just need to yoink a copy of that one. It's genuinely quicker. Yep, there we go. So if I teleport here. Excellent. And I'm here. Good. Where is clutches? There we go. Alright, I gotta pause for a second. So yeah, I'll be right back. Here is the new art I've made. enjoy it for a second. Alright, I'm back. So, yeah. I think I need to lift this up by 1 block. Oh, oops. That was down. Okay, starting at layers. That needs to be 41. Excellent. Okay, why did that happen? Oh, it's out of render distance. That's why. If you die, it pops out of render distance. Wait, no, it shouldn't. It should still be well within render distance. Yeah, it's still well within render distance. Okay. So we end up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chunks. Why is this happening? Okay, why are two getting stuck together in one of those? That is very strange and should not happen. So why? Yeah, let's see how much that helps. Huh, I think that worked. Cool. Now I just need to do that on all of these. Okay, now with double pulsing on the return function, it should be fine. Cool. Wait, let me just die real quick. Now, there's something more we have to do with this. So, slash give at p water bucket. Wait, let's make this chain. Always active, unconditional. Slash clear at p slash k at p. Ooh, right test, I should well, there goes my debug stick. Great. What the hell? There it is. Wait, I didn't even get a water bucket. Always active, chain, done. Do I still have the give commands available? Probably. Just need to find them. What? Slash recipe? Oh, that must have been from a while ago. Debugs. You know what? I'm not gonna search. Yeah, P barrier. Cool. Now we can test this. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, I did not mean to switch to spectator. Alright. Let me make a backup barrel. With all the illegal items I need. There we go, backup barrel. Backup barrel is just gonna hide under here. Yeah, there we go. That's my stash of backup items. Damn. Uh-oh, did it break? Got locked up here. Yeah, the random ones don't need a buffer. They do not need a buffer of the concretes. There's enough of them that no matter how fast you trigger it, it's... Yeah, you're not... I am still going to prevent the player from jumping. Oh. Huh. We're at the main hub. Ooh, we're all the way at the top. And I missed. And hey, it worked. We're back here in the clutch hub. Let's go. Oh yeah, this hub is actually still functional. Nice. Let's go back to clutches. Let me replace that with grass. Okay, which one is this? Don't know, don't care. Alright. All of these will teleport you to the same place. All that changes is what item gets, given. So... Alright. Okay, is there a way for me to place... No, that didn't work. Angel placement? No, that won't work. I mean, it could. Yeah, it will. Okay. I misplaced this one. Wait, which one's this one? Yeah, that's the clear one. Wait. Okay, turn off angel placement. Now, can I see them all from here? Yes, I can. Alright, hay bale. Hay bale... At certain heights, you're just gonna die, so... Hay block. Oh, that's the thing. I have to, like, give a... Like, when it comes to these, I have to give you a certain number of stacks. Let's go 256, for the blocks. Wind charge. Wind charge 256. Honey 256. Honey 256. Where? Ladder clutches are going to be interesting. $256. Sweet berries. Sweet berries, 256. Ender pearl, 64. Nah, 256. $256. Boat. Boat, I have to... Boat, you can pick up. You can pick up a boat. Oak. Boat. Just one. Just one oak boat because you can pick it up. In fact, same with the hay bale. You're just going to pick it up. Wind charge, you need multiple. Honey, you can just pick up. Ladders, you can actually just pick up. Oh, that's going to be a nasty surprise. You can't pick up sweet berries. You can't pick up pearls. You can't pick up boat. You can pick up a boat. Alright, let's go here. Beep, boop. Chain, always active. Oh. Slash. Ah. Well, I think that worked. Alright. Hay bale. Okay. That one's good. 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 It was just the hay bale one. Yep. Knew it. Oh. Yep, hay bale's still here. Okay, let's look here. Got all that. There's 3 items in there. Yeah, it'll happen at some point. And there we go. I haven't actually done a wind charge clutch. Don't really know how to do it. Ah. Did one. Well, would you look at that? Oh, there I go. Honey. How would one clutch with honey? I'm guessing it's sticky situation. Yikes. Ladder is kind of the same. Okay, so... Okay, there we go. I did not land that ladder clutch. Oh, that ladder is way up in the air. Oops. Pearl. Oh yeah, we have a ridiculous number of pearls. Yeah, pearl clutching isn't exactly difficult. Can you overtake your pearl? Not quite, not if you throw it straight down. Oh yeah, we're still in peaceful difficulty. Heh. Nice. Okay, boat. Boat is hard. Very hard. Ladder, sweet berries. Alright. You could see it out there. Nice. Definitely gonna have to pretty that up since you can see it from every hub. But hey, I kind of like the fact that you can see it, you know? It's very nice. Anyway, I think I'm gonna call stream there. I hope everyone enjoyed. I know I did. I will see you guys on Wednesday for the weekly drawing and chill stream. And yeah. I think that's it. No, yeah, VOD will be up on my YouTube as always. Yeah, yeah, that's it, I think, now. Bye!